Okay, sorry it's dark. It's a little evening here, so it's going to be hard to see. But we need to redo this flat roof area. I believe it's around 400 square feet. I will get the dimensions off to you and just include them with this video. But basically we just need to, lace it under the existing roof. There's nothing wrong with the roof, so all we need to do is get this fixed. Now there's gutters on this and the drip edge, but it's leaking a little bit here and there underneath, so we want to just get a quote on how much it's going to cost just to rip this old roofing up and replace it. And I'm going to go down real quick before I close this off and check to see wood damage underneath. All right, so yeah, we got some wood damage here. All this looks good. So really, at the moment, it's just this corner. So we're gonna need to replace some of this. I'm gonna walk the rest of this. Okay, yeah. There's some more right here and here. Not too extensive, but definitely some areas that are gonna need repair. Mostly on the edges, of course. And the fascia boards look like they're intact. So it's just the decking. Oh, get past here. That's already been repaired for paint, so that's fine. So yeah, it looks like it's just those two areas. All the rest of the decking seems fine, and all the fascia board looks good. So just those two roof deck areas. Here and over here on the corner. And again, I'll take dimensions. I'll send that along with this. Just need someone to give me a good number on what it's going to cost to redo it. Thanks, appreciate it.